I have a Samsung dishwasher. It's about 2 years old. And I was getting a sensor, a flashing error code right here. I've already fixed it, but the error code was E1. It's a Samsung model number DW80F600UWS. Again, it was about 2 years old. The dishwasher would run, it would turn on, it'd go through a cycle, and then it would get to a certain point and stop. And then I'd get an error message right here beside the delay start. So it would show E1. Well, here's where the model number is. It's on the inside lower left part of the door. You probably can't see it, but I read the model number to you. So what you have to do to fix it is you're going to have to pull the washing machine out from the cabinet, like underneath the counter. Of course, disconnect the water and the drain hose and unplug it. You'll have to pull it all the way out. I've already started putting it back in. Pull it all the way out, and you can get to the part. What you have to replace is this part right here. It's called an ECS sensor. I got it on the internet. There is a rubber gasket that goes on here that this is the old one. I took the gasket off of this one and put it on the new one. I got it online. I actually got it through repairclinic.com. And there's I'm not sure if that's showing up or not, but you can see it's the ECS sensor. Part number. Here's the part number. Here it is. So it's there's the part number, ECS sensor. Got it through repairclinic.com. It was $45.80 with $6.25 shipping. So it's a $40 part. So it's about $46. It's an easy fix. You just got to remove the dishwasher out from the cabinet, and you can get to the part in one of two ways. You can either turn it over on its top and just take the bottom panel off. It's only held on by 2 screws. You can get to it that way, or I actually got to it by removing this side panel right here. You just take 2 screws. There's a screw here and there's a screw in the back, and it just pulls off, and you can get to it right through there. It sits back there a couple inches. It's not too hard to get to. Probably easier to get to from the bottom, but I got to it from there. And this part sits in there. It goes in. It's in there, and it's actually on the side of the water pump housing down there. In this piece just goes in there, and it just turns clockwise. So to get it out of there, you just grab it and turn it about a half a turn and pull it out. And then and then you connect the little wire connector down there. You'll see it as soon as you remove this side panel. Like I said, it's just got 2 screws. You look down there, and it's about 3 inches or so back there to the pump. It's on the side of the pump housing, and it takes you just a second to pull it off and put the new one back in. Just make sure it does not come with the gasket, the rubber gasket, so you have to put the gasket, a little O-ring, which you'll see it when you pull it off of there. I also, when I was researching YouTube, I saw a video from a gentleman that posted, and it was the same exact dishwasher, and he was getting an error code that's on the Smart Auto. In the normal, he was getting an error code, or something was showing up that indicated he's having a problem with this. And he also replaced that same exact part, so that's just kind of an FYI. So apparently that controls something with this one and an error code that I was getting right here for E1. Again, like I said, you turn on, it would run for a while, and then it would just stop, and this error E1 would start flashing. So hope that helps.